everyone, this is Kenneth Wong, Burmese American writer, blogger, and a Burmese language instructor. How do you say always or forever, and how would you use them in sentences? That's the lesson for today. Let's start with always. The word for always is amye or amyeda. Amye or amyeda. For example, San Francisco ma amye ere. San Francisco ma amyeda ere. It's always cold in San Francisco. Also, Yango ma amye bude or Yango ma amyeda bude. It's always hot in Yango. Grammatically, frequency words like amye are considered adverbs, words that modifies the verb, so it's a good idea to keep them close to your verb. In San Francisco ma amye ere. Ere, to be cold, is the verb. In Yango ma amye bude. Bude, to be hot, is the verb. So the word amye for always comes right before them. Let's try something a bit more complex. Eya tayen, chano amye coffee thaute. Eya tayen, chano amye coffee thaute. When I get up, I always drink coffee. The word amye also shows up as part of compound words like amazing thito, meaning evergreen forest, or amye ne taingwin, literally permission to always stay, but that actually means permanent residency. If you're telling your significant other, I will always love you, in Burmese that'll be nga mengo amyedan chineme, or nga mengo amye chineme. If you have a relationship with someone where you can say this, then most likely you know them intimately. So note that the pronouns I and you here are not the formal pronoun like jano or kamya or jama or shin, but rather the casual pronouns nga for I, men for you. In this song, a revival song from the 80s, the song ends with amyedan dhriya nebame. Amyedan dhriya nebame, meaning I will always remember you. Let's take a look at the word forever. In Burmese, that's tawara or tawazin. Tawara or tawazin. So if you're really pledging to love someone forever, you might say nga mengo tawazin chineme. Nga mengo tawazin chineme. Alternatively, also nga mengo tawara chineme. Nga mengo tawara chineme. In Burmese version of the Bible, eternal God is usually written as Tawara Payathakin. Tawara Payathakin. That's a compound word that combines the word Tawara for forever and Payathakin for Lord, Savior, or God. In a similar vein, eternal love might be described as Tawara Achit. Tawara Achit. So if you want to say, my love is eternal love, you might say nga achika tawara achipa. Nga achika tawara achipa. In this duet song about the beauty of an ethnic region, the couple sings Tawazin Dize Khaung Lan Phoo Myone. Tawazin Dize Khaung Lan Phoo Myone. May Khaung Lan Phoo region last forever.
Say
want to say, may our love last forever, you can also say, ngā ru a chit tawazin dize. Ngā ru a chit tawazin dize. Just like the English words always and forever, of course, the Burmese words amiera and tawazin also have similar difference. It makes sense for you to say, Chano amierang coffee thaute. I always drink coffee. You don't want to say, Chano tawazin coffee thaute. I drink coffee forever. That would not make sense. If you're an intermediate or advanced Burmese learner, check out my podcast called Learn Burmese from Natural Talk, available from Buzzsprout or Blogspot. Next spring, I'll be teaching intermediate Burmese at UC Berkeley. So if you're enrolled there and want to learn Burmese in a classroom setting, hope to see you in my class. Until next time, see you later. Now,